Welcome to High Body. High Body aims to introduce the fundamental anatomy, structures, and biological functions of the interconnected organ and tissue systems of the human body. In this episode, let's start our journey of discovering the mysteries of overall human body systems together with High Body. The human body is an incredibly complex organism, mainly composed of the following interconnected organ systems: Integumentary system, Muscular system, Skeletal system, Respiratory system, Digestive system, Circulatory system, Urinary system, Nervous system, Lymphatic system, Immune system, Endocrine system, and Reproductive system. In all, the human body is composed of 12 major organ systems. Muscular system and skeletal system together are also called Musculoskeletal system. And the human body is composed of 11 major organ systems in this case. Let's briefly introduce the structures and functions of each organ system. The integumentary system includes structures that serve as outer protection for the body. It includes the skin, hair, nails, and associated glands. The primary functions of skin are to help protect fragile underlying tissues and organs, serve as the body's first line of defense against physical damage and microbial infection, regulate body temperature. The skeletal system forms the framework or internal scaffold of the body and is composed of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and other connective tissues. The primary functions of skeletal system are to support the body, protect internal organs, and allow movement and mobility. The muscular system consists of muscles, tendons, and connective tissues. Muscles include skeletal muscles attached to bone, smooth muscles found in internal organs, and cardiac muscles in the heart. The muscular system is responsible for maintaining posture and enabling the movement of the human body and its internal organs. The respiratory system consists of the lungs, diaphragm, airways, and other respiratory muscles. It works together with the circulatory system to facilitate gas exchange by providing oxygen to the body and removing carbon dioxide from the blood. The inhalation process brings oxygen-rich air into the lungs, where it diffuses into the bloodstream, while exhalation expels carbon dioxide. The digestive system, also known as gastrointestinal system, mainly consists of the oral cavity, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, and large intestine. The digestive system is responsible for the ingestion of foods and liquids, the digestion of foods into absorbable nutrients, and the absorption of nutrients in the body. It also separates and eliminates waste products from the body. The circulatory system, also known as cardiovascular system, consists of the heart, blood, and a network of blood vessels including arteries, veins, and capillaries. The primary functions of this system are to supply oxygen-rich blood to the body, remove carbon dioxide waste from the bloodstream, and transport nutrients and hormones throughout the body. The urinary system, also known as excretory system, consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The primary functions of urinary system are to regulate fluid balance, electrolyte levels, and waste excretion through the production and excretion of urine. Among that, the kidneys filter blood to remove metabolic waste products and excess ions, reabsorb essential nutrients, and maintain water balance. The nervous system comprises the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, which transmit electrical impulses between different parts of the body. The nervous system serves as the body's communication network to coordinate and regulate various bodily functions. The brain interprets sensory information, initiates responses, and controls higher cognitive functions, while the spinal cord facilitates reflex actions and serves as a conduit for nerve signals. The lymphatic system consists of a large network composed of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, spleen, thymus, tonsils, and lymph. The lymphatic system is part of the immune system and is complementary to the circulatory system. It works alongside the circulatory system to maintain fluid balance and defend against pathogens. Lymphatic vessels collect excess tissue fluid, the lymph, and transport it to lymph nodes, where harmful substances are filtered out and immune responses are initiated. The immune system comprises a network of spleen, bone marrow, lymph nodes, and white blood. It is also part of the lymphatic system. The immune system defends the body against pathogens, foreign substances, and abnormal cells, and prevents infections and diseases. The innate immunity provides immediate and nonspecific defense mechanisms, while adaptive immunity offers long-term and antigen-specific protection through immune memory. The endocrine system is composed of numerous glands that produce and secrete hormones, which includes hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, adrenal glands, pancreas, testes, and ovaries. The endocrine system regulates bodily functions through the secretion of hormones by the glands. The endocrine hormones serve as signals from one body system to another to influence metabolism, growth, and reproduction. The reproductive system enables the reproduction and the perpetuation of the species. Male reproductive system includes the testes, penis, and associated structures, which produce and deliver sperm. Female reproductive system encompasses the ovaries, uterus, and associated structures, which produce eggs, facilitate fertilization, and support fetal development. In all, the reproductive system enables reproduction and sexual functioning. Hormonal regulation governs reproductive processes, including puberty, menstruation, and pregnancy. In summary, the integumentary system protects against external damage and infection. The muscular and skeletal systems provide structural support and protection, and enable movement. The respiratory and digestive systems process food and oxygen, respectively, for energy production. The circulatory system transports oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. The urinary system eliminates waste and regulates fluid balance. The nervous system facilitates communication between organs and tissues. The lymphatic and immune systems defend against pathogens and ensure health and well-being. The endocrine system sends hormone signals from one system to another. The reproductive system enables the reproduction. These interconnected systems of the human body, each with its unique structures and functions, work together to maintain homeostasis, facilitate essential life functions, and promote the overall health and well-being of an individual. Thank you for your interest in HiBody. Let's continue our journey of discovering the mysteries of the human body systems together. And stay tuned for more episodes from HiBody.